Hey everybody, it's your tech buddy MKBHD. Today we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20100mAh power bank. It's super popular, and for good reason. This thing is a beast when it comes to keeping your devices juiced up on the go. One of the first things you'll notice is its massive 20,100mAh capacity. That's a whole lot of power packed into one compact device. Trust me, this is more than enough to keep your phone or tablet going for days, even if you're a heavy user. But it's not just about size. The Anker PowerCore 20100mAh is also big on speed. It features Anker's Power IQ and voltage boost technology, which basically means it can charge your devices crazy fast. We're talking about charging speeds that are way faster than your standard charger. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Just plug in your device and the power bank takes care of the rest. It's that simple. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just hanging out at home, this thing has got you covered. Now let's talk about getting the most out of your Anker PowerCore 20100mAh. This power bank is built to last, but there are a few things you can do to extend its lifespan even further. Trust me, your future self will thank you. First up, let's talk about storage. When you're not using the power bank, it's best to store it in a cool, dry place. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or direct sunlight, as this can damage the battery over time. Next, let's talk about cleaning. It's a good idea to give your power bank a quick wipe down every now and then. Use a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris that might have accumulated on the surface. Another important tip is to avoid fully discharging the battery too often. This can actually shorten its lifespan. It's best to keep it topped up whenever possible. And lastly, always use the right cables and adapters. Using the wrong accessories can not only slow down charging speeds, but it can also potentially damage the power bank or your device. Alright, let's break down some power bank basics, starting with capacity. You'll see this measured in milliampere hours or mAh. Think of it like the size of the power bank's fuel tank. The Anker PowerCore 20100mAh, as the name suggests, has a capacity of 20,100mAh. Now what does that mean for you? Well, a typical smartphone battery has a capacity of around 3,000 to 4,000 mAh. This means the Anker PowerCore 20100mAh can charge your phone multiple times before needing a recharge itself. Pretty impressive, right? But capacity is only half the story. We also need to talk about charging speeds. This is where input and output come into play. Input refers to how fast the power bank itself can be recharged, while output refers to how fast it can charge your devices. The Anker PowerCore 20100mAh supports fast charging technologies like power delivery and quick charge. This means you can juice up your compatible devices at lightning-fast speeds. But remember, you'll need to use the right cables and adapters to take advantage of these features. Let's talk about getting the fastest charge possible. First up, always use the included cable or a high-quality third-party cable that supports fast charging. Cheap cables can really bottleneck your charging speeds. Next, pay attention to the wattage of your wall adapter. The higher the wattage, the faster the charge. Look for adapters that support power delivery or quick charge for optimal results. Here's a pro tip. If you need to charge both your power bank and your device quickly, try using pass-through charging. This allows you to charge both devices simultaneously from a single outlet. It's a real time saver. Another cool feature is USB-C to USB-C charging. This is the latest and greatest charging standard, and it offers some serious speed advantages. If your device supports it, definitely use a USB-C to USB-C cable for the fastest and most efficient charge. So there you have it, folks. The Anker PowerCore 20100mAh is an awesome power bank that can keep your devices going strong wherever you go. Just remember these tips and tricks to get the most out of it. And hey, while you're at it, check out some of Anker's other great products. They make some seriously cool tech accessories.